Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GBSND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And we got the answer to our question today. And I realize that doesn't mean much if this is the first video you watch, but as a quick recap from yesterday's video, there's no doubt about it, the price had a very nice bounce. But at this point, the big question became, yeah, it has bounced, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Does this bounce have any sort of genuine strength, or is it just kind of a dead cat bounce fake move? And we got our answer. This was totally a fake move right here. So this movement over here did not have any sort of genuine power behind it. What gives me the right to say that? Well, I think we can all agree, like I said in yesterday's video, price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. And when you now consider where the price closed today, right there, and then you kind of factor that with where the price was back here, yeah, the price has gone back to where it all started. Now, I'm not saying that the bulls can't start a new bounce or anything like that, but as far as kind of just summarizing, the current status of the chart, I would say back to the drawing board, meaning, again, the bulls can certainly put something new together, but they're right back to where they started. So they got to back to the drawing board, try to work something new up because their previous attempt, to bounce has failed as the price is, again, right back to where it all started. So with that, a couple updates here need to be made. Going to go ahead and do a little house cleaning, get rid of these lines here. Yes, these lines still do pertain to the chart. But in the spirit of not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just trying to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes in is just based off a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 0.0115 is going to be that initial area of resistance in any sort of bounce. And then the other area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be the purple line up there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize it seems kind of irrelevant right now given it's way up there and the price is down there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that level is going to continue to slope downwards. Now, what about levels of support? For this, pretty straightforward. The price bottomed out yesterday right there around the 0022 area. So that's going to be, primary area of support going into tomorrow. So again, back to the drawing board for the bulls. We'll see if they can muster up another bounce or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.